Good day everyone, this is Patrick from EasyFX Code Trading System, and it's Saturday the 28th of November 2020, and this is the weekly analysis for Euro, Cable and the Aussie dollar for the first week of December 2020. And let's begin with the Euro, where you can see that it has broken out through the resistance level after a couple of months. It has been trying to break out higher, and now it has broken through the 78.6 retracement level at 119.26, and this looks like it's going to target the 120 zone, where there's a swing high at the 120.11 area. So there will likely be a pullback next week to possibly retest this support zone now. So we'll see if that's confirmed, and then it can also climb up higher, and this will likely be confirmation of the breakout. Beyond that, let's see, it could climb up further as well, because there's still room within this bullish channel that it was trying to climb back in for a while. Let's clear that for now, and let's see, we need to adjust this channel slightly. Alright, so that's likely lower angle here. This coming week there are a couple of Eurozone meetings, key meetings for the Eurogroup, and the ECOFIN meetings for the finance ministers. So we'll see whether there are any key decisions coming up from there. Euro has benefited with the weakening of the US dollar, so that's helping that to give it a boost. Let's also take a quick look at the US dollar index, which comprises almost 60% of euro in the index, and it has dipped lower after an attempt to recover on Monday with better than expected US final manufacturing and services PMIs, but after that it drifted lower to test the support at a key level now. So we'll see if this support is able to hold this coming week, but if not, then it could extend lower towards the 138 fib extension of this reversal move. Let's also take a look at it on the weekly time frame. So yeah, it could extend lower towards the 90.50 zone. So we'll see if this support is able to hold, but unlikely it's going to hold for too long. So that's positive news for the euro, and also depending on whether there's a breakthrough in the EU and UK Brexit trade talks, which is still at a stalemate, but they're having some meetings on the Saturday as well. The cable, after a retest of the 134 level after initially testing it earlier Monday, and we pulled back, but then it's been a consolidation week with support now at this 78.6 fib extension to fib retracement to the 134 level. So that's the consolidation range at the moment. We'll see if that's going to hold for next week, or if it's going to be support, and whether it's going to dip lower for next week. There's only final manufacturing PMIs on Tuesday. That's the only key news. But otherwise, there's no fundamental driver to either drive it higher, or unless there's a negative news from the trade talks, then it could dip lower back down to 132. Otherwise, this 133 level now could hold as support. Right, if that 133 level holds, then we'll see if it's going to attempt to break out through the 134 in the near future. Okay, let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. And the Aussie dollar attempted to break out higher, but then pull back on the Friday as the US dollar weakened as well, and hit the 0.74, almost to within a pip of the 0.7400 round figure, and attempting to climb back up into the previous bullish channel. So it's been attempting to climb up for past couple of weeks, and this zone now is going to be support at the 70.6 fib retracement. If it does hold, then it could continue up higher to test the swing high just above 74, and we'll see if there's going to be a continuation move towards 0.75 later on next week or so. Then they will confirm that it's managed to recover and climb back into the previous bullish channel. This coming week there's the RBA rate decision, but unlikely there's going to be any change, because the last month they've already cut rates. And then on Wednesday there's the Australian GDP figures. Alright, so we'll see how the US dollar index perform, and that will impact the key majors for this coming week, especially for the euro. And also out of the US, there's the non-farm payroll report on Friday, and that will impact all the major pairs as well. Alright, so meanwhile, do have a safe week and a good trading week, and cheers for now.